When I do music, art, or movement, I'm more calm than I normally am. Because I am more positive in movement and art and music. So it helps me stay calm.
O&M is our residential campus. A lot of times children do not have the best home life. Maybe they've been exposed to trauma, maybe they have been mistreated, and sometimes a foster home can be found, and then sometimes that foster home might break down. There are a variety of different other therapeutic activities. Expressive therapy is music therapy, art therapy, and movement therapy.
These kids are enduring stress, and they tend to think that nicotine or weed or that sort of thing is going to be a stress relief for them, and ultimately it's not. It's a negative coping skill, but they keep going to it now because it has worked for them in the past.
So we have overarching goals for all of expressive therapy, and they're basically being able to be safe in an environment that's not your own, to be able to learn coping skills, to be able to experience something new and maybe difficult. All these life skills that make us successful members of society, we're practicing every time we're in an expressive therapy session.
Noah's a really sweet kid, and I knew that from the moment I met him when he first got here, he was super into music, and so I knew immediately we'd have a lot to talk about, and we immediately connected on music, the things that he enjoys listening to, what's important to him. It's a way that he connects with the world and it connects with his own internal experiences, and it's a huge source of comfort for him. And he's participated in other expressive therapies and has just been really committed to the process in each of those too.
Yeah, it's one of my dreams to produce music on YouTube and SoundCloud and Spotify and stuff like that. It's just one of my biggest dreams I've had.
When kids like Noah are able to move away from substance use and find alternative ways to cope, to express their joy, their pain, and their anger, then before they know it, the possibilities for their future are full of